Good morning, YouTube. Raymond here with RB Catfishing. Beautiful Wednesday morning. Took the day off today. Spent a little time on the water. This is kind of a rough day for me and my family. We lost our father, and my mom lost her husband 3 years ago today to lung cancer. And so rather than be at work and dealing with this emotional nonsense, I'm out here fishing, and this is something that me and my dad did a lot of. This was kind of our thing. You know, we were fishing mates, and it's always been kind of hard going fishing without him because we always fished together. But that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be suspend drift fishing for catfish. With one pole has some cherry Jell-O chicken breast, and we got the usual sardines. Bait's been slim picking at the shops lately, but you know, we got what we got, and we're gonna give it a go today. The Jell-O chicken breast has already been getting some pretty big hits, so I think today's gonna be a good day for fishing, but we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Fish on. Ooh, nice cat. Look at that. Right on the Jell-O chicken. Nice. Nice. Not a bad little guy. Not a giant, but man, nice tug on the line. And I got my chicken back. Alright. First one of the day, folks. Starting off good, and he's about to poop all over my boat. Can't have that nonsense. There we go. And away he goes. Oh, I think you're off. Dang. He's off. Dang. No, it's still on there. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Oh, here we go. Got another one, folks. He's gonna be a little guy. But got another one. Just a little guy. Little dinker, he stole my chicken. And away he goes. Fish on. Jell-O chicken again. Good Lord, this guy's tiny as all get out. Away he goes. That's 2 on the Jell-O chicken. Nothing for the sardine. Fish on. Oh, good lord. Fish on. Oh, he's a nice one too. See what we got here. This Jell-O chicken is just kicking. Not a bad sized cat. Not a gargantuan one, but not bad. Put up a good fight, though, I'll tell you what. Poor sardine isn't getting any loving today. They're really digging this chicken. Look at that. Not a bad sized cat. Not a bad sized cat at all. Get this over here. Check that out. Alright. Get the hook out of this guy. No monsters, but hey, we're catching some fish. Yeah, you keep talking there. And away he goes. Man, I am a believer of this Jell-O chicken right now, let me tell you. I have fresh cut sardine down there and it isn't doing squat, but this Jell-O chicken is just killing it. As long as I keep catching fish today, I don't care. Put that piece back down again. 9, fish on. Oh, and he came off. Dang. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Must have just had a hold of the chicken and not the hook. There goes the chicken just getting clobbered. Fish on! Fish on! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that's a good one right there. Oh, that's going to be a good one. That's going to be the biggest of the day so far. Granny about took my freaking kayak over. Oh, yeah. I can feel the weight on this one. He's no joke. Oh, here we go. Alright, I finally hooked into something nice today. I knew it was coming my way sooner. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, nice cat. Biggest one of the year so far. Oh, come on. And on the chicken. Forget the sardines today. I'm going all chicken. Oh, man. Come on. Tire him out. Hoping he's hooked up good. Can you see him? Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's a nice cat right there. Just let him tire himself out. I think he's hooked pretty well. Man. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, look at that guy. Nice. Man. Well, poor guy's gonna be dinner. That's a nice catfish. He choked that hook down so deep, there was nothing I can do about that. Okay. Alright, we're still filming. Good God. That was a blast. Unfortunately, he couldn't be saved. Usually I throw him back, but that guy, he really choked that hook down. He was pretty much doomed, so... Well, anyway, we're going to give that drift another run, see what happens. Either way you look at it, I got a nice little fish fry tonight. Stay tuned. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, and he's off. Dang. Nope. Is he on there still? He's still on there. Oh, he's still on there. Oh, right on. Oh. He's not going to be a very big guy, but I got another one. Ooh, what a good day. What a good day today. Oh, and he's off. Quick release. I hope I got that one on camera. Got in that trap. Got in that trap. Fish on. Not a bad little guy. Not a bad little guy here. Open your mouth. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. He's on there. He's on there. Oh, dang, he took a little drag. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Oh, man. Let him get it out of his system here. Still catching them. It's 10:44. Got a good breeze going right now. Chill out, little guy. Chill out. Alright. Dang. Splash me up here. Fish on. Got a little weight to him. A little bit. He's a little guy. guys, I think it's time to call it quits today. It's gotten super hot out here, and it's been a really great day. Came out here on a nice little day off that I took to celebrate my dad. He brought me a lot of good luck today. Miss him terribly, but he's always here with me when I go fishing. He's always with me. Always bringing me that good luck. And anyway, it's super hot. I'm on this last drift. I'm going to go for a few more minutes. If I catch something, it'll be a little bonus fish. Otherwise, I'm out for the day. And we'll see you again next time.